Hello.
Hello,
How are you today?
I'm good.
Please, can you introduce yourself? Tell me about yourself.
Hello, teacher.
Hello.
My name is Nhân. I'm 7 years old. I'm from Đà Nẵng City, Việt Nam. I like red. I like dog.
Very good, thank you. What's this?
Ants.
Yes.
Boy.
Yes.
Cat.
Yes.
Dog.
Yes.
Elephant.
Mm-hmm.
Truth.
Yes.
Girl.
Yes.
Hawk.
Very good.
Insect.
Yes.
Ink.
Yes.
Drum.
Mm-hmm.
Shoot. Kick. Kite. Love. Leaf.
Very good. My family, okay. Who is this?
Grandfather.
Yes.
Grandmother. Father. Mother. Sister. Brother. Family.
Very good, thank you. Colors.
Yellow. Blue. Orange. Green. Black. Red. Pink. White. Purple. Brown.
What's this?
Pink flower.
Mm.
Yellow flower. Red flower. White flower.
Very good. Numbers, okay.
Number 12. Number 4. Number 20. Number 16. Number 2. Number 19. Number 10. Number 3. Number 12. Number 1. Number 18.
Okay, very good. And my body, what's this?
I like head.
I like head. I have. It's a head.
It's a leg.
Yes.
It's a mouth. Is it a nose? Is an eye?
Mm.
Is it an ear?
Mm.
Is it an arm?
Very, very good. Can you talk about my teddy bear, please?
2 eye, 2 ear, 1 nose, 1 mouth, 2 leg, 2 arm.
Very good. Animals. What animal is this?
Cat,
Yes.
dog, bird, monkey, snake, bear.
Very good. What can you do?
I can run. I can sing. I can swing. I can hop. I can jump.
Very good. Ooh, what do you want?
I
Want.
want a banana.
Mm.
I want a cookie.
Mm.
I want a sandwich.
Very good. Toys. What toys do you have?
I
Have.
have a ball. I have a car. I have a chubby bear.
Very good. School things. Okay, what's this?
I can book.
A book. Yep.
I pencil. I bag.
It's a bag. It's a.
It's a ruler.
Yes.
It's an
Eraser.
eraser.
Very good. Ah, house. Can you tell me what's this?
A house. Living room. Bedroom. Kitchen.
Very good. Very good. Now, what's this? Can you talk about this? I sleep. Sleep.
I sleep in a bedroom.
Yes.
I cook in a kitchen.
Yes.
I watch TV in the living room.
Yes. Okay, thank you very much. That's the end. Very good, very good. Bye.